The used car market is full of choices, but not all SUVs are created equal. While some models age gracefully, others prove to be more trouble than they're worth. In 2025, some used SUVs continue to haunt unsuspecting buyers with their poor reliability, costly repairs, and outdated features. Let's dive into 8 used SUVs that you should avoid at all costs if you want to save yourself headaches and money. Subscribe to my channel, it will help me to grow up. First, Jeep Compass, 2017 to 2020. The Jeep Compass, particularly from 2017 to 2020, may look rugged, but it's full of issues that make it a poor choice in 2025. While its design appeals to those who crave a compact SUV with off-road capability, the Compass falls short when it comes to reliability. The biggest concern is its transmission, particularly the manual and automatic transmission options, which have been reported to fail prematurely. This results in costly repairs that can quickly overshadow any initial savings on the vehicle. Additionally, the Compass suffers from a lackluster engine performance, with the 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine being underpowered, especially when loaded with passengers or gear. This results in sluggish acceleration and poor fuel economy compared to more efficient rivals. Inside, the cabin quality is also subpar, with cheap plastics and minimal tech features. The Uconnect infotainment system, while functional, is outdated, and the overall driving experience is not as smooth or refined as competitors in the segment. While it does have the Jeep badge and some off-road capability, the Compass fails to impress in many critical areas. In 2025, buyers should avoid this model, as it's known for having numerous mechanical and electrical problems, including issues with the air conditioning, infotainment system, and suspension. The Jeep Compass, despite its potential appeal, remains a costly, unreliable choice in the used SUV market. Second-generation Nissan Pathfinder, 2013 to 2017. The Nissan Pathfinder from 2013 to 2017 is plagued with problems, especially related to its continuously variable transmission, CVT. While it might seem like an affordable choice for those needing a 3-row SUV, the Pathfinder's CVT transmission has been known to fail prematurely, leading to costly repairs. The CVT, which is supposed to offer smooth driving, instead often causes jerky acceleration and engine hesitation, significantly diminishing the driving experience. Beyond transmission issues, the Pathfinder also has reliability problems with its engine. Engine stalling, oil consumption, and even full engine failure have been reported, especially in models that have higher mileage. Additionally, its fuel economy doesn't stand out, and with the vehicle's increasing age, the cost of keeping it running smoothly only increases. The interior, while spacious, lacks the modern features and finishes that many other SUVs in the same class offer. The outdated infotainment system is slow to respond, and advanced safety features are minimal. While the third-row seating is a plus for families, the ride quality is uncomfortable, with a stiff suspension that doesn't absorb bumps as well as other competitors. With these ongoing mechanical issues and the outdated tech, the Nissan Pathfinder from 2013 to 2017 is a used SUV to avoid. It might seem like a good deal at first, but the cost of ownership quickly escalates, and the long-term reliability problems make it a poor investment. Third, Ford Explorer, 2011 to 2015. The Ford Explorer is a popular name in the SUV world, but models from 2011 to 2015 should be avoided by anyone looking for a reliable used vehicle in 2025. One of the main issues with these Explorers is their EcoBoost engines, which are prone to a range of problems, including engine failure. The turbocharged 4-cylinder and V6 engines often suffer from oil leaks, faulty fuel injectors, and general mechanical breakdowns. These issues can lead to expensive repairs, particularly when the engines start to show signs of failure after high mileage driving. Along with engine problems, the Explorer's transmission also faces significant reliability concerns. The 6-speed automatic transmission has been known to develop slipping and rough shifting, further adding to the cost of ownership. While the ride quality is decent, it's not as refined as competing SUVs, and the handling can feel heavy, especially when compared to newer models in the same segment. The interior of the 2011 to 2015 Ford Explorer is another downside. Despite being spacious, the quality of the materials used feels cheap, and the infotainment system is slow and outdated, lacking many of the advanced features found in newer vehicles. While the Explorer offers a decent amount of cargo space and can accommodate 7 passengers, its lack of modern features and ongoing mechanical issues make it a poor choice in the used SUV market. Considering the repair costs, outdated technology, and persistent engine issues, the Ford Explorer from these years should be avoided if you're shopping for a used SUV in 2025. 4. Dodge Journey, 2009 to 2020. The Dodge Journey, especially from 2009 to 2020, is one of the most disappointing used SUVs available in 2025. Though it remained in production for over a decade with minimal updates, it offers an outdated design, poor reliability, and underwhelming performance. The Journey's build quality is subpar, with cheap interior materials and an overall lack of refinement. The third-row seats, while providing additional capacity, are cramped and uncomfortable, making the SUV less appealing to families. The Journey's engine options are also lackluster. The standard 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine is underpowered, especially for a vehicle of this size, and the available 3.6-liter V6 engine, while more powerful, has its own set of reliability issues. The SUV's transmission is known for its sluggish shifting, and many owners report issues with stalling or hesitation during acceleration. These mechanical problems lead to high maintenance costs and diminished resale value. In terms of technology, the Dodge Journey lags behind its competitors. The infotainment system is basic, slow, and lacks essential features such as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Safety features are also lacking, with limited standard tech and minimal advanced safety options available. With its outdated design, lack of modern tech, and frequent mechanical issues, the Dodge Journey is one of the worst used SUVs to buy in 2025. Despite its affordability, the cost of ownership and lack of reliability make it a poor investment for anyone looking for a practical, dependable SUV. 5. Chevrolet Equinox, 2010 to 2015. The Chevrolet Equinox from 2010 to 2015 may seem like an attractive used SUV option due to its spacious interior and comfortable ride, but it comes with significant downsides that make it a poor choice in 2025. One of the biggest issues with these models is engine reliability, particularly with the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Owners frequently report excessive oil consumption, with some engines consuming oil at a rate that leads to complete engine failure. These problems are costly to repair, and once the engine is in need of replacement, the Equinox's overall value diminishes considerably. Additionally, the Equinox struggles with fuel economy compared to other compact SUVs, and its ride quality, while comfortable, lacks the refinement found in newer models. The interior, although spacious, uses low-quality materials that show signs of wear and tear over time. The infotainment system is also outdated, offering limited connectivity and slow performance. Safety features are lacking, with basic systems such as lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring available only on higher trims. Given its history of engine issues, lack of modern tech, and the high repair costs associated with the 2.4-liter engine, the Chevrolet Equinox from these years should be avoided by anyone looking for a reliable used SUV in 2025. 6. BMW X5, 2011 to 2013. The BMW X5, a luxury SUV that is renowned for its performance and driving dynamics, suffers from a range of reliability issues in the 2011 to 2013 model years. Although the X5 is a well-regarded vehicle in the premium SUV category, buyers in 2025 should be cautious when considering these older models. One of the most common and costly issues with these X5s is the air suspension, which can fail over time, leading to a rougher ride and the potential for expensive repairs. Replacing the air suspension is no small task, and the cost of replacement parts and labor can add up quickly. Another issue with the 2011 to 2013 X5 is its high maintenance costs, which are typical for a luxury vehicle but can be particularly burdensome for used buyers. Owners of these X5s have reported problems with the electrical systems, including faulty sensors and malfunctions in the vehicle's electronics. These electrical problems are not only frustrating but can lead to the failure of crucial components like the vehicle's navigation system and infotainment system. Furthermore, the engine, particularly the V8 option, has been known to experience overheating issues and oil leaks, which require costly repairs. While the interior of the X5 is undeniably luxurious with premium materials and a sophisticated design, the technology in these older models feels outdated compared to newer luxury SUVs. The iDrive system, while revolutionary when it was introduced, is now slow and clunky by modern standards. Additionally, the fuel economy in these X5 models is far from impressive, especially considering the high cost of ownership for a luxury SUV. In conclusion, while the BMW X5 offers a premium driving experience, its long-term reliability problems and costly repairs make it a poor choice for a used SUV in 2025. For those looking for a luxury SUV, it's better to consider newer models or alternatives from brands with better reputations for reliability. The Hyundai Santa Fe from 2013 to 2015 is generally considered a solid midsize SUV with good safety ratings, a comfortable ride, and an appealing list of features. However, it has one major flaw: engine reliability. Specifically, the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine used in these models has been plagued by issues such as engine knocking, stalling, and, in some extreme cases, total engine failure. These problems can be extremely costly to fix, especially for a vehicle that's a few years old. While Hyundai offered some warranty coverage for these issues, it's still a huge risk for anyone considering buying a used Santa Fe from these years. Beyond the engine troubles, the 2013 to 2015 Santa Fe suffers from outdated technology. While it does come with some tech features such as Bluetooth connectivity and a touchscreen infotainment system, it lacks many of the advanced features that have become standard in newer SUVs. There's no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which can be a deal breaker for many buyers today. Additionally, the interior, though spacious, uses low-quality materials that tend to wear down more quickly than those in some competitors. Another drawback is the Santa Fe's fuel economy. While it's not the worst in its class, it certainly doesn't stand out. The ride quality is also decent, but not as refined as other midsize SUVs in the same price range. For those looking for a well-rounded and reliable used SUV in 2025, the 2013 to 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe should be avoided due to its engine issues, lack of modern tech, and the potential for expensive repairs. While Hyundai vehicles are generally known for their reliability, this particular generation of the Santa Fe is better avoided by used car shoppers in 2025. Opting for a newer, more dependable SUV will likely save you from costly repairs and disappointment down the line. Land Rover Range Rover. The Land Rover Range Rover is one of the most iconic luxury SUVs on the market, known for its off-road capability, refined luxury, and commanding presence. However, the models from 2012 to 2016 are notorious for their reliability issues, making them a poor choice for used car buyers in 2025. While the Range Rover excels in terms of luxury and off-road prowess, it comes with a significant drawback: its high cost of ownership. The maintenance and repair costs for a Range Rover are incredibly expensive, and for models from this era, those costs are even higher due to frequent mechanical and electrical failures. The biggest issues with the 2012 to 2016 Range Rover are its electrical problems. Owners often report malfunctions with the vehicle's complex electrical system, including problems with the infotainment system, sensors, and even the vehicle's air suspension. The air suspension in particular is a major point of failure as it can leak or fail, resulting in a rough and uncomfortable ride. Replacing the air suspension components can cost thousands of dollars, which is far from ideal for anyone looking to purchase a used luxury SUV. Another common problem with these Range Rovers is engine-related issues. While the engines themselves are powerful and capable, they are prone to overheating, oil leaks, and other mechanical failures. These issues can lead to expensive repairs, especially as the vehicle ages and experiences more wear and tear. Additionally, the Range Rover's fuel economy is far from impressive, especially considering its luxury status. It also struggles to compete with newer SUVs in terms of modern technology and driver assist features. Inside, the Range Rover offers a luxurious cabin with high-end materials and a comfortable ride, but the technology feels outdated by 2025 standards. While the interior is top-notch, the infotainment system and other tech features are no longer cutting-edge, especially compared to newer luxury SUVs that offer more advanced features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance systems. Given its high maintenance costs, frequent mechanical issues, and outdated technology, the 2012 to 2016 Range Rover is a poor investment for anyone seeking a reliable luxury SUV in 2025. While it may look appealing on the surface, the potential for expensive repairs and the ongoing cost of ownership make it a risky choice for used car buyers. In 2025, it's more important than ever to research before buying a used SUV. While some vehicles may seem like bargains up front, their long-term costs and reliability issues can make them regrettable purchases. Save yourself the trouble and steer clear of these 8 SUVs unless you're ready to spend more time and money in the repair shop than on the road.